Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from M County, Kenya. Welcome to my channel, African Feeling Life, where we cook traditional food, nature, entertainment, and others. Kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 1,000 subscribers. Today we are cooking traditional food, rice and kideri. Wow, let's cook together directly from the kitchen. Remember, in the village, we live a simple life. This is rice. This is rice. This is an African man preparing rice. Thank you for your continued support. We are cooking traditional food, kideri and rice all combined together. Wow. We have to add kideri after frying onions and tomatoes. We have to add kideri. Kideri is a balanced diet food combination of protein and starch. Yeah, remember, we have boiled kideri the other day. Then you can eat it as you fry like that. You can add some recipe, rice. You can add kideri, cabbage. You can add kideri, bananas, and others. Thank you. Wow. After frying, we have to add water. You have to add water direct from pot. Direct, we have to add water from pot. Remember, we use 3 stones for cooking. Then we shall wash our rice thoroughly and add the fried kideri. We have to wash our rice. Wow. Then we add the rice to kideri. This is traditional food for dinner. We are cooking traditional food for dinner. Wow. Let's cook together. Then we cover with another sufuria. Wow. For the rice to dry well, wow, you can see the mixture is so good and delicious. The mixture we shall cover with the reed. Wow. For it to dry well, we have to remove the stones. Then we cover with the reed. Then we remove some firewood. We cover with some firewood. Mm. Wow. We have to cover with some ash on top, hot ash, so that the food will dry well. We wait for some minutes. Wow. After some minutes, few minutes, the food is ready to be served. Yummy and delicious. Wow. You can see the ambience. Eh? Wow, let's serve the food together. We enjoy it together. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your subscription. Let me know in the comment section. Wow, what am I doing? Am I doing a good job? Wow, what can I add? What can I remove? Remember, in the village, we eat the food together. Children and their mothers, we eat the food together. Wow, you can see the food is ready. Wow, delicious. Wow, I have to serve the kids. Then we enjoy. We enjoy the meat together. We have to enjoy the food. Wow, thank you for your continued support. Remember, we are from Embu, Kenya, Africa. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your likes. We are now 1,000 subscribers. We have yet to reach 4,000 watch hours. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Let us enjoy the food together. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let me know in the comment section whether I'm doing good. What am I doing? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you. Thank you.